Lesson: Key performance indicators for AI systems. Key performance indicators for AI systems are critical metrics that organizations use to ensure their AI initiatives are aligned with their strategic objectives and are delivering the expected value. AI systems, given their complexity and the significant resources they consume, require careful monitoring and maintenance. By defining and tracking KPIs, organizations can gain actionable insights into the performance and efficiency of their AI systems, making necessary adjustments to improve outcomes. The implementation of KPIs begins with identifying the business objectives that the AI system is intended to achieve. For instance, if an AI system is deployed to improve customer service, relevant KPIs might include customer satisfaction scores, response time, and the number of queries resolved without human intervention. These KPIs provide a clear framework for evaluating whether the AI system meets its intended purpose and contributes to broader business goals. One practical tool for defining and managing KPIs is the Balanced Scorecard framework, which provides a structured approach to translating an organization's mission and strategy into a comprehensive set of performance measures. This framework encourages the consideration of financial, customer, internal process, and learning and growth perspectives, ensuring that KPIs are not only focused on immediate outputs, but also on longer-term capabilities and improvements. For AI systems, this might translate into measuring accuracy, user adoption rates, system uptime, and the speed of model updates. Once KPIs are established, leveraging monitoring tools such as Grafana or Prometheus can be highly effective for real-time tracking and visualization of AI system performance. These open-source platforms allow organizations to set up dashboards that provide a comprehensive view of how AI systems are performing against the defined KPIs. For example, a dashboard could display the model's prediction accuracy, latency, and throughput in real time, enabling immediate identification and rectification of issues. To truly harness the power of KPIs, organizations should adopt a data-driven decision-making approach. This involves not only collecting data related to KPIs, but also analyzing it to derive actionable insights. For instance, if an AI model's accuracy drops below a certain threshold, data analysis can help identify whether the issue lies in the data quality, model parameters, or external factors. Tools like TensorBoard, which is integrated with TensorFlow, provide detailed insights into model performance and are invaluable for diagnosing and optimizing machine learning models. In practice, setting up KPIs for AI systems often involves an iterative process of refinement. Initial KPIs may need to be adjusted as more is learned about the system's behavior and the business context. A case study that illustrates this is the deployment of AI for predictive maintenance in manufacturing. Initially, KPIs such as the reduction in downtime and maintenance costs were established. However, over time, it became clear that more granular KPIs, such as the accuracy of failure predictions and the lead time provided by alerts, were necessary to drive further improvements. Moreover, KPIs should be closely aligned with ethical considerations, especially given the potential for AI systems to impact individuals and society. For instance, KPIs related to fairness, transparency, and accountability can be crucial in applications such as hiring or credit scoring, where bias or unintended consequences could have significant ramifications. Implementing frameworks like Google's What If tool can help organizations assess and mitigate bias in AI models, ensuring that ethical considerations are integrated into KPI evaluation. The effectiveness of KPIs is also contingent upon clear communication and collaboration across teams. AI system performance is often influenced by factors beyond the technical domain, including changes in business processes or market conditions. Regular reviews and discussions involving cross-functional teams can help ensure that KPIs remain relevant and that the insights derived from them are acted upon. This collaborative approach can drive continuous improvement and innovation, leveraging AI systems to their full potential. Furthermore, KPIs should be scalable, allowing them to evolve as AI systems mature and as new capabilities are developed. For example, an AI system initially designed to automate simple tasks like data entry might later be expanded to include more complex decision-making functionalities. In such cases, new KPIs related to decision accuracy and impact on business outcomes would need to be developed and tracked. Finally, leveraging cloud-based AI platforms like AWS SageMaker or Azure Machine Learning can provide organizations with the flexibility and scalability needed to effectively manage KPIs. These platforms offer integrated tools for deploying, monitoring, and optimizing AI models, supporting a seamless KPI management process. They also provide access to advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities, enabling organizations to continuously refine their AI systems and improve performance. In conclusion, KPIs are indispensable for the effective monitoring and maintenance of AI systems. By establishing clear, relevant, and actionable KPIs, organizations can ensure that their AI initiatives are aligned with strategic objectives and delivering tangible value. Practical tools and frameworks such as the Balanced Scorecard, Grafana, TensorBoard, and cloud-based AI platforms play a crucial role in enabling organizations to track, visualize, and optimize AI system performance in real time. Through iterative refinement, ethical alignment, and cross-functional collaboration, organizations can harness the power of KPIs to drive continuous improvement and innovation in their AI systems, ultimately achieving sustained competitive advantage.